Hey, so today we're going to cook something that's easy to make in the wintertime because it uses preserved ingredients. We have a jar of mousse stock and some dried morel mushrooms. And today we're going to make a mousse and morel mushroom risotto.
Start by rehydrating your morel mushrooms. Morel mushrooms can be foraged from the forest or purchased at specialty shops and local farmers markets. Dice your mushrooms once they have a spongy texture. We'll be cooking on high heat, so make sure you have lots of wood ready for your wood stove. Saute the morels in oil. Now we're going to heat up some mousse stock for our base. This mousse stock was a Christmas gift from one of my neighbors. In a pinch, you can substitute beef or vegetable stock. Keep those mushrooms and soup base warm. Things are about to get interesting. You want to start by browning the risotto in oil, along with 2 finely diced shallots. When the rice is golden brown, you are ready to start adding the mousse base. I'm switching pots because I know this pan won't be big enough. Keep in mind that your rice will expand. Slowly add your mousse stock half a cup at a time. And don't forget the best part, you'll want to add some white wine for flavor. This is starting to smell so good. So now it's a bit of a process. It can take up to 30 minutes to add all of the mousse stock, and you'll want to keep stirring pretty consistently. Once the risotto is fluffy, it's time to add the good stuff. In go those morel mushrooms, a whole swack of butter, and some freshly grated Parmesan cheese.
Oh, that smells amazing. The Parmesan and the white wine and the morels and the mousse meat.
Risotto is a pretty high-calorie meal, but I can guarantee it'll hit the spot after a hard day out on the land. Mousse and morel risotto. Now that's living.